Hello grade 6, today let's complete together how can we study lesson 2 and lesson 3 in unit 2 in the second term, representing ratio and the equivalent, exploring equivalent ratios. Here, what about for the equivalent ratio? Equivalent ratio are ratios that have the same value here as each in the simplest form. We studied before about in the last video. Here, if we have 4 over 6 equal 2 over 3, we can, in the first term and the second term, are divisible by the same number. So, then are two equivalent ratios. Here, for example, 8 over 24 and 15 over 45. When put them as in the simplest form, 8 over 24, these two terms are divisible by 8. So the simplest form equal 1 over 3. And here 15 over 45 divisible by 15, 1 over 3. So 8 over 24 and 15 over 45 are two equivalent ratios. Another example we have here 9 over 21 and 16 over 32. So when we put as in the simplest form 9 over 21, I can divisible by 3. 9 divided 3, it will be 3, and 21 divided by 3, it will be 7. So the answer, it will be 3 over 7 in the simplest form. And another ratio, 16 over 32. These two ratios divisible by 16. 16 divided 16 equal 1, and 32 divided 16 equal 2, so equal 1 over 2. So 9 over 21 not equal to 16 over 32. So these two ratios are not equivalent. Okay. Now here, put each of the following ratios as in the simplest form, then match the equivalent ratio. Here we have ratio 10 to 35. 10 to 35 I can represent by as in the simplest form. These two terms can divisible by 5. 10 divisible by 5, it will be 2. 35 divisible by 5, it will be 7. Okay. Another ratio, 15 over 27 divisible by 3. 5 over 9. Here, 14 over 28 divisible by 14, 1 over 2. Here, 12 over 27 can divisible by 3, 4 over 9. Okay, here you can make as in simplest form divisible by 3, here 4 over 8, or you can divisible by 12. You can divisible by 12 here equal 1 over 2. 8 over 28, it will be the answer divisible by 4, 2 over 7 as in the first step here, and 1 over 2 as in the third term, and here 16 over 36 divisible by 4 over 9, the third term, and the last term here 25 over 45, 25 divisible by 5, it will be 5, and 45 divisible by 5, it will be 9. 5 to 9, it's equal to 15 to 27, equal to 25 over 45. Okay, that's our difference between equivalent ratios and represent the ratio by the fraction. Okay, that's our lesson today, and we have here more exercise about the ratios. You can solve by together to make the equivalent ratio. And we know that we studied before from grade 4, 2 over 3, it will be 4 over 6, it will be 6 over 9, it will be 8 over 12 by skip counting as the same number in the numerator and another in the denominator. That's our ratios or equivalent ratio. Okay, that's our lesson today. Lesson 2 and lesson 3 represent ratio and exploring equivalent ratio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel of MBS. Thank you, grade 6.